Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use retouch for face on the CapCut application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So just open a project and go to the lower bar, tap to the edit button at the lower left corner of the screen, and you can find the retouch option next to the adjust. Tap that and you can find the face retouch. Actually you can edit the face shape, the smooth, the smile lines, the eyes, the dark circle or the white teeth, but you can reshape your face or you can add makeup. And if you finish, click to the OK button at the lower right corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.